Hi, I'm Dr. Lola Gershwald, and I had a great job as an HR manager, CFO, and a director. But I saw a lot of conflicts that impacted our company culture and made my job exhausting. So I made my mission to find the answer. What we know is that humans are wired for connection. When they lose that connection, they get stuck in the repetitive patterns of conflict. Based on the last 50 years of attachment science and adult bonding, we developed the emotional connection process, or EMC, that helps managers to repair team connection and restructure the negative pattern. If you're a manager and you are interested in an on-target approach that will help you to be more effective with your team, you've come to the right place. The future of leaders is to know how to use the megawatt power of emotion to shape a change in team interactions and create a positive company culture. We post videos often, so make sure to subscribe to our channel where you'll learn how to master the art of relationships and keep the talent you deserve.